Hello everybody, in today's video I'll teach you guys about Instagram stories. So let's get on with today's video. And before starting today's video, be sure to like and subscribe with notification onto our channel, cause we post content like this. So to get notified for our future video, be sure to subscribe with notification on. And let's start today's video. So first I'll teach you guys how to use layout for Instagram. So it's pretty simple. So you need to go to add story, which is at the top. As you guys can see, add at the top right corner, click on it. And sometimes these add buttons don't show up on some people's Instagram. There's like a profile picture with a plus sign on it. You can click on it as well, but now I have add, so I'm going to click on add. Now as you guys can see over here at the left side right below boomerang, the third option is layout. So I can just click on layout. Now over here I can choose which type of layout I want by clicking on the grid in the middle, which is right above like the arrow pointing down. Click on it, and over here I can choose which type of grid I want. And this is also how you can post multiple photos on Instagram stories at once. So I can post two photos right now. So let me post two photos. One photo, let me choose from my gallery. So let's say this, and the other photo I'm just gonna click like this. As you guys can see, I just added two photos on Instagram. So that's how you add multiple photos on Instagram, by using layout. To finalize this photo, click on the tick. Now to share an Instagram story to a particular friend, you can just click on send to. So if I click on share, which is right beside your story, then this is gonna add it to my story. Then if I click on like resend messages, so you can send the story to those people who you have talked in message on Instagram. So I've talked with Vichy, Kevin and Abhinav. So if I want to send it to them, I can click on send as well. Or if I've created a list of close friend, I can just click on share, which is right beside close friend. It's gonna send the story to all my close friends. So yeah, that's basically how you send story to your friends on Instagram as well. So I'm gonna add this to my story, press on done. It's loading, so it's gonna be sent to my friends and added to my story as well. So let me go on message over here. As you guys can see, the story has been delivered to my friends. So yeah, that's basically how you do it. So if you want to add a story to your highlights, it's pretty simple. You can just click on your story and go to the story which you want to hide to highlights. And I want to add this story to my highlights, so I can just click on highlight button, which is down right beside share. I can click on highlights. So now I can name this highlight. So I'm going to name it. So once I name it demo, I can just click on add, wait for some time, and press on done, and this thing is added to my highlights. So if you're having problem adding your story to highlights, then you can do one thing. You can go to your Play Store and check if your Instagram is up to date. If it is not, then you should update your Instagram, and if it's still not showing, you can just restart your phone as well. And if it's still not working, you can uninstall and install Instagram as well. And if it's still not working, you can report this problem to Instagram and they will fix it. And to add a link to your Instagram story, like you might see it on some celebrity story, like if you click on their story, it's gonna say swipe up, and you swipe up and it's gonna take you to their website. So to get that, there are some rules. Like first, you need to have a business account, and to create a business account, you can just click on your profile, which is at the bottom right corner, then click on the three line, which is at the top right corner, then go to settings, then go to account, and then scroll down until you see switch to professional account. By switching your account to professional account, it becomes a business account. And another criteria is you need 10k followers. So once your account is a business account and you have 10,000 followers, you can add links to your Instagram story. But right now I can't because I only have 2 followers. Now if you want to update your Instagram highlight cover without posting it on story, it's pretty simple as well. Just go to your highlights by clicking on the profile picture, which is at the bottom right corner. And then as you guys can see right below edit profile, there is demo. That's my highlight. So I can just, hold on it and click on edit highlights. Now over here I can, edit my cover without posting it. And as you guys can see over here, there's the edit cover button. Click on it. Now I can choose the cover from my gallery by clicking on the gallery icon, which is at the bottom. Click on it, and then now I can choose whichever photo I want to put as a cover. So I'm going to choose this, then click on the arrow which is at the top right corner, processing, done. That's how you update your Instagram highlight cover without posting it on story. Create the Instagram story highlight. As you guys can remember, this cover photo is like nowhere to be seen in this story, right? So this is completely not from this story. It's like putting a thumbnail in it. So let me show you again. Press on edit cover. So if I post this picture, then yeah, this is a part of the story, right? So if I want to create the story highlight cover, I can just design my own photo and place it in my gallery, and then I can go to my gallery and choose it from my gallery. So yeah, So let's say I created this image even though I didn't. So let's suppose, okay, I created this. I can just go over here and press on done and press on done again. And that's basically how you create Instagram story highlight covers and update it without posting it on story. So to download an Instagram photo or videos from story to your mobile device, you can just go to the story which you want to, download. Let's say I want to download this thing. I can click on the three dot which is at the bottom right corner. And then this thing appears and I can click save photo. If this was a video, then it would be save video. Literally how you save your story. Now remember, you cannot save other story on your phone, okay? You can only save your story on your phone. And to find and save Instagram story filters, it's pretty simple. You can just go to your story or you can just swipe left and this thing opens up. It's a camera. So as you guys can see, these are all the Instagram filters. So let's say I want this Instagram filter. I can, just swipe on it. Then there's going to be its name displayed right at the bottom. Click on its name and then this screen opens up. And as you guys can see, there's a button called save effect. Click on save effect and this filter has been saved now. So that's basically how you save filters. So to fix your Instagram story music not available or showing, for that you can just go to your Play Store and check if your Instagram is up to date. And if your Instagram is up to date and if it's still not showing, you can just uninstall and install Instagram again. And doing that might allow you to add music to your Instagram story again. And if it is still not working, then you can just switch your account to a professional account. Let me show you how. Go to your profile. Click on the three line which is at the top right corner. Go on setting. Go on account. Scroll down until you see switch to professional account. Click on switch to professional account. Continue. I want to convert it to creator. So let me go to artist and done. And then boom, it's on creator again. Next. And I'm going to finish my setup later. So I'm going to pick the cross mark. Now your problem should be fixed and your music should be available again on story. Now to delete your highlights on Instagram, it's pretty simple. You can just go to your profile and as you guys can see right below my edit profile, there is highlights over here. So let's suppose I want to delete this highlight. I can just hold on it and this screen pops up. Over here you can click on delete highlights, which is right below edit highlights. I can click on delete highlight. Once I press delete, the highlight will be deleted. So that's basically how you delete your highlights. To add someone's Instagram story on your story, it's pretty simple, but there's one criteria. If you want to add someone's story on your Instagram story, they need to tag you on your story. So let me tell you an example. So as you guys can see in Richie Kevin, so as you guys can see, I'm tagged in this story, and you can also see add this to your story button down below, which means that I'm tagged. So if you're not tagged in this story, then you cannot see that add this to your story button. So you need to be tagged. So to add this photo to my story, I can just click on add this to your story. And then over here now, it's basically how you normally add a story. I can add some effects over here, some stickers and some text, whatever I want. And after doing everything, I can just click on send to your story, share, done. And then it should be added to my story. As you guys can see, it's posting right now. So after it's posted, it's going to be added to my story, and it is added to my story. So that's basically how you add someone's Instagram story on your story. So that's it. So if you guys found this video helpful, then be sure to like and subscribe with notification on, and comment down below what type of video we should make next, and comment down your problem if you have any confusion as well. And I'm signing out. Have a nice day everybody. Peace out.